So, what is a siren? And why did we choose her to introduce our new program at Bombshell? Well, a modern day siren is a beautiful woman that's half woman, half mermaid. And I want to focus on the siren song because every woman has a siren song in her. That is the thing that is absolutely alluring about you, whether it be your intelligence, your sense of humor, your warmth, or maybe a combination of all of those things that draw people into you. The story of the siren is they would draw sailors into them by using their beautiful siren song, but then they would kill them. Now, we don't want to be that morbid and say, well, we're going to be drawing men in and killing them, girl. No, but we will use our siren song to attract people to us so that they can die. Not a physical death, but die to their pride, die to the games that they play, and death to egos so that they can open up and truly experience you as a partner, as a woman, and everything you have to offer. So if you're interested in learning more about this program and how you can get in touch with your inner siren and really fine tune your own siren song, click the link in the bio. The class is coming up in a couple of weeks. We'll see you soon.